This Saturday is National TRiO Day, and WKU is marking the occasion by hosting an open house from 10 until 4 at their offices in Jones Jaggers Hall. TRiO offers crucial support to first-generation college students.
This was like my second home.
Junior Schwe Winn is talking about student support services, one of several TRiO programs offered at WKU. The public health major is a first-generation college student who first came to America when she was 7.
As a kid, I grew up in a refugee camp. It was located on the border of Myanmar and Thailand. In 2008, we came through the refugee resettlement program, and we were located in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
When she was a senior at Greenwood High School, Winn became aware of TRiO through its educational talent search.
I was able to get support to apply to colleges. Got to meet an amazing person named Ms. Shaw, who has helped me figure out what I want to become and really take my hand, and she walks me through every step of what I need to do to be where I am today.
Shaw was a first-generation college student herself who benefited from TRiO programs as an undergrad at the University of Southern Indiana.
I love the program so much. I had to go back to school. I went back, got my master's degree, just so I could come back and work in TRiO. I completely understand what they're going through. I do, and we know most of our students, it's not the academic work that's too hard for them. It's everything outside of it. So the finances, what's going on at home, things going on personally, such as mental health.
Winn wants to make sure other students realize the benefits of TRiO.
I want the word to spread because I know the value of this program, and I want every other kid to have the opportunities that I had.
To be eligible for the TRiO program, you must answer yes to one of the following questions. Are you a first-generation college student? Do you receive a Pell Grant? Or do you have a documented disability on file with the university? With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.